Alright, today I have the FalCam F38 multi-hole camera plate holder. So this is the quick release. I'm going to be opening this up and you see what this looks like. Get you the first-hand view of what it would look like, how to use it. So just popped it open right here and you can see it says FalCam. So this is the F38. I'm going to go ahead and do the quick release so you can see this. It comes with a nice pouch. Don't know why you would need this after installing it, but it has the washers inside. Also has the Allen wrenches to tighten it up. So inside is the FalCam, and this is the F38 mounting plate. I'm going to go ahead and open this up and pull this out. So it slides out, so it stays secure in place right here. And so this is the FalCam. See, it has the bracket right there, mounting plate. And one of the reasons why I like this is because it has the slide-in design where the mechanism locks into place using this, I don't know what you call that, stub right there. And in my opinion, it gives it a lot more security as opposed to having it release by opening up these top things right here. So I'm going to go ahead and take the screw top off of this and I'm going to press this, and you see it slides inwards. I'm able to slide this into place. It won't come off. Locks into place like that. Pretty cool. Slides into place. Now it comes with Allen wrenches in here to, for instance, when you want to mount this on to your device or your stand or your tripod. It has an Allen wrench here. A lot of Allen wrenches. Here's an Allen wrench for my another mounting plate rake that I have. And so here it is right here. You can see that you press it in and you're able to slide it, but there is a locking mechanism. So with the locking mechanism, what you do is you simply put it right there, and you cannot press this button so that tab does not release. So that's an extra added piece of security that this has for it, so it won't pop out accidentally because you have it in the lock mode right here. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to put it on, unlock it, and then I'm going to press it, and I'm able to slide this out. Now you go ahead and mount this on to your device, such as a camera or whatever you're using it for. And it's F38, so you could actually use this probably, don't quote me, on other devices. If you look at the bottom, it has multi-holes, so you can adhere it to a tripod in different ways. It has many different holes right here that you could use. Very useful to have right here. So this is the FalCam F38 multi-hole device right here. I hope this video has been helpful. Screws right here. Screwing things in. Thanks a lot for watching.